Well, I don't know if you'd be interested in this, but I thought I'd give it a go and see what people say. What I have here is one of Horo's HDRIs. It's Puddle, and I've loaded in the high resolution version, and as you can see we're in the Skylab, and if I go to render in scene, you'll see that there's some bit strange distortion going on, and that's because I've taken a lens system that Horo's made to produce a wide angle lens, and he's made a extra wide angle lens version, and then I've bolted another lens system on that, essentially the same lens, to make it an extra wide angle lens, and it has this unusual effect. So just by turning the HDRI around, you can see it's altering radically the appearance of the render, and this is because of the very extreme distortion that the lens system's creating, but I rather like the effect. So if we just switch back to the main view, you can see that because we've only got HDRI image in and this lens system, it renders very quickly, and the result of tilting this lens back creates like a cavernous effect. The horizon's actually been converted into a circle in this scene, so that's the horizon up here. And if we tilt it the other way, so we're looking down, then the ground becomes an island, and these things that are reaching round towards us. It's a rather interesting effect, I think. So if I move it so it's pointing at those things, they get pushed back and down, and it looks like the whole scene's been shrunk down. I can alter the field of view to zoom in on this effect, though of course that's sort of rather reducing the reason for creating an extra wide angled lens. So I'll zoom that back, and we'll flip round the other way so we're looking up, so that'll sort of create an extreme tunnel. You can see, even though I'm using the highest resolution version of this HDRI that I can load into Bryce, that we're at the very limits of resolution with this, and all the detail is really in this central area, and it's like looking down a tunnel, which I rather like the effect of that, even though obviously it's a bit limited in what you could do with it, but obviously each HDRI image that you load in will have a slightly different effect when you apply this lens system to it. So I just thought to make a short video of that, see if there's any interest in this idea, and I'll continue testing.